everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you know by the title of the video, my Instagram followers are gonna control my day. So I have posted my first poll. It's around 8:50 right now. I woke up around 6:30 because my parents had to go on a shoot. So now I'm gonna do the breakfast. So I posted my first poll about breakfast, and it's pancakes or bread upma. So I prefer pancakes because I got all the ingredients yesterday and I'm craving pancakes for a long time now. So let's see. I posted around 7 to 8 minutes back and अभी तक मुझे कुछ ऐसा response मिला नहीं है. I guess everyone's sleeping today. Lazy. So I'll wait for more 10 minutes और फिर जो भी होगा जितनों ने भी किया होगा I'll just go with that. Okay, see, we got a very clear winner, that is pancakes. So now I'm gonna cook pancakes for breakfast. I'm already late for breakfast, so I'm gonna just rush into the kitchen and make it. Okay, so now I got all my dry ingredients here and butter and milk ready. So I'm just gonna mix them up and then we'll make the pancakes. Okay, so I'm doing my first try and सब बोलते हैं कि फर्स्ट ट्राई इज ऑलवेज अ फेल. सो लेट्स सी. ओके, तो मुझे लग ही रहा है फेल. ये चीले की तरह दिख रहा है. नॉट यू. ओके, सो हम करेंगे अब सेकेंड ट्राई. आई होप ये ठीक बन जाए थोड़ा. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Okay, so मेरी मम्मा ने मुझे बताया था इसको फ्लिप कब करना होता है. So I guess ये फ्लिप के लिए रेडी है. साइड से थोड़ा डिफरेंट कलर आने लग जाता है एंड चेक करना होता है साइड्स एंड देन 1 2 3. I'm scared. It looks nice. खाने लायक तो लग ही रहा है. ओके, सो माई पैनकेक्स आर रेडी. एक्चुअली माई चॉकलेट सॉस बॉटल वेंट क्रेजी. उसमें से कुछ ज़्यादा ही प्रेशर के साथ निकल गया था. एज यू कैन सी वो हर जगह फैल गया. बट आई गेस इट टेस्ट गुड, सो लेट्स गो. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम ट्राइंग देम. Disappointing. I lost my butter knife. It tastes amazing and I used homemade chocolate sauce. What is wrong with you? And it's tasty, very tasty. Can you please get off? Okay, so I posted my second poll, that is whether I should give Patola complete bath or a dry shampoo. So I think I should give her a complete bath, but let's see what you guys vote for. Okay, so you guys chose complete bath. So now I'm gonna take her to the balcony for the complete bath because I cannot take her in the bathroom because her shampoo stinks, literally stinks. So अगर मैं वहाँ लेकर जाऊँगी तो पूरा बाथरूम स्टिंक हो जाएगा एंड उसके बाद कोई यूज़ नहीं कर सकता उसको. आई गेस फॉर लाइक 4 to 5 hours. So balcony it is. पटोला, 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 चलो नहाने चलो. Okay, so I gave Patola her complete bath. There she is. Okay, चली गई, कोई नहीं. So now I'll take shower and till the time I'll put my third poll, that is whether I should wear something jeans kurti type, or should I stay in my pajamas, comfy clothes? So till the time, we'll see what you guys decide, and I'll take shower. Okay, I just got done with my shower, and as you know, comfy clothes won. So here I am in my comfy clothes, and now I posted my fourth poll, that is makeup or skincare. I really don't want to do makeup right now because I feel so nice and clean and fresh. So we are just gonna wait and let's see. Okay, so skincare won. That's what I wanted. So now I'm just gonna, what is it? No, so now I'm just gonna put up a face mask, and that's all for my skincare, because I got my mask, the one I'm gonna apply. This one is from Nykaa, Black Mud plus aloe vera for purified and hydrated skin. I just love Nykaa ka face mask because what is wrong with the light? It is sorry. They are just amazing. So I would say you should get them. Free advice. I'm too lazy to do something else. So okay, so while this mask is on, I'll put another poll because it'll take around 10 to 15 minutes. So it looks so scary. I got done with the face mask and now I feel so good. So I just posted my another poll while I was taking off that mask. It was, what should I do next? Whether I should watch Friends or draw something. Like, I am in a mood of doing like both, like watching Friends and like draw something. But it's, you are the one who is gonna decide, like the one only. So let's see. The majority votes are on draw something. So I got all my stuff ready with me, and I have posted one more poll or something related to Pride because it's Pride month. So I'll wait for 10 minutes and then I'll draw. Meanwhile, I'll search for ideas for both, for Kuch Bhi and for Pride. Okay, so उस poll में the Pride one is winning. So now I'm gonna draw something related to Pride. I got this. Gender is a social construct, and I guess it's fine. So I'll draw it over here. I got done with my drawing just right now. It took me an hour, and I don't think it's pretty cool, but I'll show you what I made. It looks something like this. It was all colored in the drawing, but I didn't color anything. I just did it sketch pen के साथ जो भी मैं कर सकती थी, and I just left it like this, and I hope it looks great. Pen चल गया. I'm having sandwiches right now, and I don't know what to drink with it. So I just posted a poll that I should get a Tang or Roobza wala doodh, or Roobza shake you call it. I prefer Tang. I don't want to drink milk right now because I drink milk before bed. So do baar I cannot take it, and before bed I need it. So thank you so much for choosing Tang because I was not at all in a mood of Roobza wala doodh or Roobza shake you call it. So I forgot to film and I almost finished it. So
stop it. Get some help.
I'll put next poll that whether I should work out or not. I'll work out around 6:30 and it's 5 right now, so I'll take a break now and watch Friends or do something like a nap. It's 6:35 right now, and I was supposed to do some workout or some dance because I have been on my workout break from last 14 days, almost 14 days. I worked out for 14 days and then I took break for 14 days.
Oh my god! Wow!
So right now I was supposed to start from today, but I am so tired and I'm just so excited that about this video that I want to edit it right now. So I posted a poll that whether I should edit this video right now, or I should go work out or dance. But I'm not in a mood to do workout or any dance because I'm super duper tired. I don't know why. I did like nothing today except drawing, but I'm very tired. So let's see what you guys do. You guys chose workout or dance. I wanted to edit this video right now, but I guess I have to do it tomorrow, and I have to do the workout. Or I'll go for the dance. I'm not in a mood to change or something. I'll just dance in my pajamas. But I don't want to dance. I don't want to do anything. I just want to lie on my bed and edit this video. But I have to do it. Okay, so now I changed my t-shirt and I'm in my PJs only. So now I'm gonna work out. I mean dance. I'm just gonna dance. My speaker is not at all charged, so I'm just gonna dance. Jitni der ye chalega. Guys, so I'm done with my workout. I changed it to crop top, then I changed into my bralette to do the workout. I skipped a dance and started doing the workout, proper workout, and I'm absolutely tired now. So I have to stop in midway because my mom's back from shoot. So I have to take care of Patola ki wo unpe chade na, because she needs to take shower first and sanitize her. So usse pehle I'll take care of Patola. I guess even half an hour ki exercise is enough. So thank you. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If yes, you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So do tell me what should I make in my next video in the comment section.